In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove TikTok link from your Facebook profile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Facebook app. Once the app is opened, we need to head over to our Facebook profile page. The easiest way to do so is just tap right here at your profile picture. And on our profile page, we can easily find this details section. Here are located all the links that we attached to our Facebook profile. If we tap on it right here, we can see all of them. Here I have my TikTok profile, my Snapchat profile, and my website. And then in order to be able to delete any of these links, we need to hit at Edit Links, and then we'll be taken to that page where we can easily remove any link from here. All we have to do is just hit at Remove underneath the link we would like to delete, and it will be immediately disappeared from here. Then we can remove another links. Also, we can add some links here by typing add social link. And then to save the changes, hit at Save. And then if we go back to our profile and if we refresh the page, we can find out that TikTok profile link has just been disappeared from that list and from our Facebook profile. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.